Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to enable microphone on Samsung keyboard. So simply open your keyboard. So look here, showing it to microphone, but some device has missing this icon and provide how can easily fix. Go to your setting option or go to your main settings page, scroll down, click onto general management, then we get Samsung keyboard settings. Press on, scroll down, and showing it to voice input. So if you have select no option, so look here, when I'm select no option, then missing my microphone, and when you select to Samsung voice input or Google voice typing, then showing here to keyboard, then showing it to keyboard, then showing it to microphone option. So must be select to a Samsung voice input or Google voice typing. So that's it.